Hey, my name is Brendan Pang and I'm making crispy kimchi and pork dumplings. My favorite dumplings to eat. They're crispy on the outside, succulent on the inside, and really easy to make. Alright, so now we're going to move on to the filling. I've pressed the tofu to remove all the moisture and I've pre-chopped it in the Thermomix. And now we're going to move on to the rest of the veggies. Alrighty, now the dough's rested, we're going to move on to the funnest part, which is actually folding our dumplings. So let's get started. I'll grab the wrapper with my non-dominant hand. I'm going to place about a tablespoon of filling into the center. With my other finger, my index finger in my right hand, dip that into a bowl of water and line the perimeter of the wrapper with water. And I'm going to bring up the edges at 3 separate points. I'm going to pinch that at the very center at the top to form a triangle and press down on the open edges to seal the dumpling and make sure there's no air pockets. There you have it, guys, my pan-fried pork and kimchi dumplings. I'm just going to garnish with a few of my favorite ingredients. I've got a black vinegar dressing here. We've got my house-made chili oil. Just some fresh coriander. And to finish, some toasted black sesame seeds. There you go, guys, my pan-fried pork and kimchi dumplings. You can find the recipe at the Thermomix website.